You know what I mean? Test the range on it. Slight work. Stepping on shit. We already know where the test's going, and we just gonna go back this way. We just going back to the end of the building. Change songs. Put some volume on it. This that new Big Crit. Forever's a long time, and I paid for it. I ain't bootlegging. Turn it down. Complete silence. Go back up. If you do buy it, it's in Spanish. So I'll make a video on how to do this shit, but all the instructions is in Spanish, and I ain't getting no instructions with mine. But you only got to hit one button. It's a learn button. And if you got the factory remote, you just aim the factory remote at the little black piece in the back. You'll see it. All right, we're going to turn it up because this is where we started at last time. Change songs. Change songs. I wonder if this zoom in. Probably not. Go down on the volume. Silence. Go back up. Make sure I don't fall, hit my head. This is a whole car show right here. I got the whole car show covered. I'm chilling. We're gonna change songs. Turn it back up. Oh, that's an intro. We don't need more intros. We don't need no intros. My doors ain't done, so them yellow speakers you see in there, they not even playing. Pretty good distance. Damn. You need to get you on these. You gonna change songs? Damn. Nigga. If you had the car showing you this far away, nigga, you just showing off. There's a little copper wire that go with it too, though. And that's your signal. That's where you shoot your signal to. Mine's in the back, in front of my subwoofer, on my extra battery. So that's why I got the remote up high. My truck is kind of tall a little bit. I get the point, though. I ain't gonna walk away to the stop sign. That's too much. But it do work. Change song where you standing at. This at least. Here comes somebody. That's at least 2 football fields. I at least give it 200 yards. Give her some thunder on the way down there. Give her some juice. Turn the volume down. Let the cars go past, don't want to be disrespectful. Turn it back up. Damn, that's all you need. Oh, I left the truck. I need to go play with it. Where he going? That's what I'm probably being disrespectful to. We're going to end the video there, though. I'm going to post it, maybe edit it, make it look good. But definitely this Stetson remote. This is just a rubber outside, you can remove that. It ain't nothing special. Made in Brazil. So, Oh, it's the SX2. That's the model number of it. It's $50 on Amazon. eBay. It's worth it too. Easy to install. I don't know how you take the battery out though. It's probably underneath that bolt, but good enough.